One possible way to install the Kerradeco wall system is to install it on a substructure. The panels are mounted on a frame made of wooden battens. The battens should be made of good quality wood attached to the wall in a reliable and solid manner using screws suitable for the type of the surface. The battens should be spaced at 40 cm intervals. Mount the battens perpendicularly to the direction of the panels. If the panels are laid vertically, the battens must be arranged horizontally and vice versa. All battens should be leveled using a spirit level so that they form an even plane. If necessary, washers or wedges can be used to level the battens. Installation begins with cutting and fitting the A01 starter trim. When installing the first panel, cut the tongue with a sharp knife. Then check the vertical and horizontal lines and fit the panel to the substructure. Kerradeco panels should be screwed to the battens with screws through the tongue on the long side. The screw should be hidden enough so that it doesn't catch when attaching the next panel. Attach another panel and finish it using a hammer and a wooden mallet. Before fixing the panel permanently, make sure there is no gap between panels and check the vertical and horizontal lines again. Kerradeco panels are very easy to process, light, stiff, and do not dust when cutting. For cutting panels, you can use a handsaw, a jigsaw, or a table saw. To finish the wall, we recommend using an A05 trim, which also serves as a ceiling trim. Detailed installation instructions are available at vox.pl.